Welcome to our channel. Today discuss about accounting for healthcare service MCQ. First MCQ, which is the following formula calculation LOS. The formula is a total inpatient day divide total inpatient discharge. The answer is option A, total inpatient day divide the total inpatient discharge. Next example, apply the hospital provide the various medical service. The provide the following: total inpatient day 4000, outpatient day 1200, number of inpatient discharge 900. To find out ALOS, the formula is the total inpatient day divide total inpatient discharge. तो टोटल inpatient डे कितने आएंगे, टोटल पेशेंट डे कितने हैं 4000, उसमें से आउट पेशेंट कितने हैं 1200, माइनस करोगे यू गेट द 2800 डिवाइड नंबर ऑफ इन पेशेंट डिस्चार्ज इज 900, you will get answer 3.11 days. Third, hospital is a given following detail: year ended 31st March 2016. Inpatient day is a 25,000. Bed is a 80. Find out occupancy rate. Assume the 16 days in the year. तो ऑक्यूपेंसी रेट का फॉर्मूला क्या है, इन पेशेंट डे डिवाइड बेड डेज. बेड डेज में भी टोटल बेड्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन ईयर डेज. तो ऑक्यूपेंसी इन पेशेंट डे कितने हैं 25,000 डिवाइड बेड कितने 80, डेज कितने 316. तो 25,000 divide 80 multiplication 316, you will get the answer 86.61. Fourth, find out revenue per patient. Net revenue is 60,000, number of inpatient discharge 3,000, total number of patient 10,000, inpatient day 30,000. तो नेट रेवेन्यू हमारा कितना है 60,000, नंबर ऑफ पेशेंट टोटल नंबर ऑफ पेशेंट इन द हॉस्पिटल 10,000. तो नेट रेवेन्यू 60,000 डिवाइड 10,000, you will get the answer 600 rupees. Example, hospital MCQ number 5. Fixed asset is 75 lakh, current asset 25, current liability is 15. It has a 30 bed capacity per day. Calculate C invest per bed day. Capacity for the year and interpret the management decide the 800 rupees. Tender for C invest per bed day. तो कैपिटल कितनी है, तो टोटल असेट इज 75 प्लस 25 minus 15. The answer is a capital employee is 85 lakhs. And C invest per bed formula is C divide bed days. बेड डेज में बेड कितने हैं मल्टीप्लिकेशन डेज. तो C इज कितने आए 85 lakhs डिवाइड 30 कैपेसिटी है बेड की एंड ईयर के डेज है 365. तो 85 lakhs divide 10,915, you will get answer 776.26 rupees. Interpretation, that is a 800 rupees, that is a decide for the C invest per bed. पर आंसर कितना है 776.25 rupees. So there is a better efficiency of Hinduja hospital. Higher capital employee investment means के lower efficiency and lower capital employee invest means higher efficiency. अगर lower efficiency तो lower capital employed and better efficiency is the higher capital employed. MCQ number 6. Find out the revenue per patient. If the net revenue is 60,000, number of patient discharged 3,000, total number of patient 10,000. अभी जैसा ही है सेम टू सेम 30,000 to 60,000 डिवाइड नंबर ऑफ पेशेंट कितने हैं 10,000 करो. You will get the answer. Option A 600. Occupancy rate is equal to net revenue divided by number of patients. MCQ 8. In the healthcare service, inpatient day 50,000, number of inpatient discharge 7,500, number of patient 15,000 and net revenue 2 crore. Find out the net revenue per patient. तो नेट रेवेन्यू कितना है 2 करोड़ डिवाइड नंबर ऑफ पेशेंट 15,000. The answer is option E 1333.33. Ninth, the department which patient admit the stay overnight for several days or week of month is known as. तो inpatient department में ही overnight stay करते थे. The answer is option A inpatient department. Q number 10. Higher AOLS means lower efficiency and poor quality of service. 11. Which basic operating ratio generally calculate for the inpatient department? A. ALS occupancy rate, ALS net revenue per patient. None of this या फिर both A और B. The answer is option